guys ang Wrigley Field, home of the Chicago Cubs. Si Mami guys, oh. Ayan, papasok na siya sa pila. Ito na si King! May flag ng America!
Waiting na lang tayo. Ayan, nakaupo na ako. May binigay pa silang libreng Cubs.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa Andrea Judge TV. And samahan nyo kami sa isang pagbabago sa buhay ni Andrea. Let's go! So ayan guys, no, currently papunta na kami sa isang lugar kung saan magbabago or may pagbabago sa buhay ni Andrea, no? Kasi for today's video ay
mag-oath taking na ako, guys.
Ayan, so oath taking na ni Andrea as a US citizen. So ayun, nauna pa lang si Andrea dahil nung nag-file siya nung US citizenship, sabi ko mauna na siya kasi hindi pa ako ready. Ayan. Kasi sabi ko, yan, gawin niya muna.
Alamin muna yung process.
Ayan, gusto ko kasi alamin ko muna yung process. So siya na muna yung pinauna ko, guys. And baka ako by later end ng year or early next year. Ayan.
Late mga
December. Ayan. So, ayun. And si Tiffany din. Ayan. Hi, Claire. Hi. Pero kay Tiffany, madali na lang ng process kasi i-apply na lang namin siya once na citizen na kami. So, ayun. And si Clay naman is born here in US. Kaya, citizen boy na yan. Ayan. So, ayun guys. Samahan nyo lang kami. Isa to sa malaking changes, no? Tulad nga sinabi ko sa vlog, isang pagbabago sa buhay namin or buhay specifically ni Andrea kasi siya pa lang yung magiging citizen. And yeah, gusto lang namin i-document tong araw na to. It's gonna be a small vlog, quick vlog. And currently nga is late kami. 9:11 yung dating namin pero 9 AM yung start. And ayun, so tingnan lang natin kung ano mangyayari. Gaganapin pala siya, saan siya gaganapin?
Yung pala hindi na nakapag-outtake.
Ayun lang, no? So kung dito ma-upload guys, alam nyo na. So ayan. Ayan, so saan nga gaganapin yung ano?
Sa Wrigley Field.
Yan, Wrigley Field. Yung Wrigley Field, ito yung home court or baseball stadium siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung Cubs or White Sox. Ano ba be? Ang Wrigley Field?
Cubs.
Yan, Cubs. So baseball club ng Chicago Cubs. Kasi meron dito White Sox, guys. So dalawa yung team ng baseball dito. So ayun, Wrigley Field is home ng Chicago Cubs. So ayun, first time natin makakapunta sa isang stadium, no. So malaki-laki yung lugar ng oath-taking area ni Andrea. Sa baseball stadium talaga siya.
Mukhang marami talagang mag-a-attend, no, guys?
Yes.
Kasi late, ngayon lang yata na parang ganito. Or kapag summer siguro ang oath-taking nasa mga ganitong
baseball stadium. Yan. So ayun guys, samahan nyo lang kami and update namin kayo later. See ya! Malapit na kami. So ano na lang, 4 minutes away, 0.7 miles. So kung may kita nyo guys, andito yung ng Wrigley Field. Ayan, Wrigley Field, Chicago Cubs box office. Ayan, so dyan yung big time, yung oath-taking stadium. Late ka naman. Pero umaga, bumilis kami ng konti guys, na dapat nasa mga 9:13. Napaga kami ng 4 minutes. Alam mo na ba yung national anthem? And sing, you're gonna sing later, mom. See? Si Claire lang nakakaalam Ayan guys, ang Wrigley Field, home of the Chicago Cubs. Ayan. And then meron dito ang kainan. Ayan. And hindi pa nga nakakapasok yung mga nag-oath-taking Ayun oh, guys oh, mga mag-out taking oh, sa stadium sila oh. Ayan, kasi mami guys oh. Ayan, papasok na siya sa pila ng mga mag-out taking. Ayan, let's go. Ayan guys, nakapag-park na kami no. So papunta na kami ngayon ng Wrigley Field. So good thing naman may free parking spot sila. Kung makita nyo yan oh. Lahat yan guys pupunta sa outtaking. Nandito na tayo sa Wrigley Field. Ayan. So kung makita nyo guys no. Ayan yung historic na Wrigley Field. Ayan, matagal na to guys. And then ayan, may mga gimmickan dito. Syempre after the game yan, nagpupuntahan yan sila dito. Gimmick, right? Yeah. So this is our first time here too. And ayan, may mga statue sila ng mga ano nila, legendary player like Michael Jordan statue. So wala akong kilala sa baseball guys. And then may Cubs store. Ayan yung team store nila. Pagbibili ka ng mga ano nila, gamit. And ayan, so we're gonna go inside. Ayan, let's see kung ano may kita natin doon.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. I gotta tell ya.
Yan na si Klein. May flag ng America. How about you, Claire? Where's your flag?
He took it.
He took it. Ayan o, nakakay Klein no? So ito ng Wrigley Field guys. Let's go. So ayan guys no, andito na kami sa loob, nakapo na kami. So ito pala yung Wrigley Field. Si Klein no, waiting for mom. Hi Klein. Ate, how about you? Good. Medyo mainit lang pero good thing nasa shade naman kami. Ayan si Klein. Let's go Klein. Ayan guys, so doon gaganapin nyo no, yung outtaking. Ayan, nandun yung mga applicants sa harapan. Hal, kamusta? Ayan, nakita na namin si Andrea guys. Doon lang pala sila.
Masyado masikip po.
Doon. So dito ka na lang mo po. Ayan. So good luck. I love you. Ayan si Klein, kumakain muna dito. Ayan, ng nuggets. And then si ate, busy mag-phone. Ayan, ayun na si Andrea. So siguro later na lang guys. Update na lang.
Guys, waiting na lang tayo. Ito yung binigay na pamphlet ng special naturalization ceremony here sa Wrigley Field. So, waiting na lang tayo. Wait lang. Yan, ewan ko kung naririnig niyo ako, pero waiting na lang tayo. Ayan, nakaupo na ako. May binigay pa silang libreng Cubs na cap. Ayan. And ayan, ito yung ano, field. Ayan o. And pwede ka magpa-picture dito sa vlog. And makikita mo na lang yung picture mo sa online. Pero ang haba ng pila guys, so hindi ako pumila. Pero umupo na lang ako dito. So yan, waiting na lang.
Ayan guys, oh, televised pa ata to guys, or ibabalita yung outtaking nila Andrea. Kasi nandiyan yung ABC News. Ayan, ito yung ABC News guys. Ayan, start na guys.
I'm gonna start finally with the 7th inning stretch. Just kidding. Okay, so anyone who is taking the oath that is here to become a new U.S. citizen today. At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare
member ng Chicago Cubs, guys.
Representatives of the court,
Yan.
Magistrate Judge Kelly, Senator German,
Senator German's here. Oh my God.
Representative
Senator.
Garcia, Representative Schakowsky, Alderwoman Clay, have a very illustrious
Yung mga congressmen and senators nandyan, guys.
and most importantly, candidates for citizenship and your families.
Kaya napaka-memorable na itong oath-taking. Kala ko simple lang. Pero
On behalf of the Chicago
nandyan yung
Cubs
senators,
and my family, the
judge,
Ricketts family,
and then
welcome
the
to Wrigley
Ricketts
Field
family,
for our 5th
owners ng Chicago
naturalization
Cubs.
ceremony.
Ayan.
Today we celebrate
Wow.
nearly 1,000 new citizens from over 100 different countries. And I think that's worth a round of applause as well.
This is what I like dito sa Illinois. Napaka-big deal ng citizenship nila. Oath-taking. Ayan.
Wrigley Field is the only ballpark in Major League Baseball to be recognized by the United States as a National Historic Landmark. I think even our ivy in the outfield on the brick there is a registered landmark. Maybe the only plant in the country that's a registered landmark. Therefore, on behalf of the
Guys,
United
hindi ko
States
lang kung kita nyo, no? Yung mga naka-black na suit and tie. Mga bodyguard yun nung senator. Ayun, nandun yung senator. Ayan. Grabe yung security. Ayan.
From the immigrants who join us as citizens. You bring things like your food and your dance and your culture and your language, but you bring your experience, you bring your history, you bring your values, and we as a country are better for it. I am so appreciative that you have decided to join us here as citizens. Now is the time. Let's have all of our new candidates please rise.
First section, inaano na nila yung country, previous country. So technically, Andrea is not a Filipino citizen.
Alright, I'm going to say I, and then you say your name. Okay. I, say your name. Hereby declare on oath. So help me God. Well, by the authority vested in this court, I hereby declare you to be citizens of the United States of America.
Andrea is a U.S. citizen now. Ano pala to? Senator Richard Berman. Taga-Illinois pala siya.
Don't believe all the politicians you hear. You are welcome to this country, and we are a better country because you are here.
There you go. Yep. Illinois Congressman.
Good morning.
District.
Welcome and welcome to Wrigley Field.
Yeah.
Little history. Babe Ruth played here.
Babe Ruth.
Red Grange played here. Ernie Banks. Just the list goes on. But but you're the real stars. And in my job, this is my favorite day of the year. A little legal note. Laura Ricketts may not have mentioned it, but stuck in the fine print. You're all now Cub fans too, okay?
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
To our new citizens and to your families. In a moment, the new citizens will be directed by USCIS staff who will be distributing the certificates of naturalization. This special ceremonial session of the court is adjourned.
Guys, tapos na. Kukunin na lang natin yung certificate natin. So, update later.
And ayan guys, tapos na ang oath-taking ni Mami. Isa na siyang ganap ng
citizenship.
Ayan, next na kami ni Claire, no? So, ayan guys, medyo maraming tao, no? Ayan, sa Wrigley Field. Kaya talaga ginanap sa Wrigley Field. I think 900 plus yung nag-citizen ngayon. And napaka big time kasi may mga senator. May senator na nagpunta, congressman. And syempre may-ari ng Chicago Cubs, no? So, inaantay lang namin dito si ma'am. Ayan. And I think may registration pa siyang ginagawa doon. So, later na lang. Ang astig guys, may mga ini-interview pa guys. So, ayan. Sa ABC News, ABC 7, Chicago. Ayan. So, naka-ano to, media televised yung mga ano. So, ayan guys, kung makita nyo kami sa ano no, sa news. Congratulations! Suot mo lang yung cups mo! Yes! Where's your flag? Where's your flag?
Here's my flag!
Your flag! Where's your flag?
Dito.
Ayan, alright.
Thank you!
Ayan, ano masasabi mo?
Citizen
Grabe,
na ako.
ang big time naman ng oath-taking mo. May mga senator pa, congressman. And then ano ano ba tawag nito? Meron pang ano ano ba tawag nito? Media coverage. ABC News. Andun may na-interview sila halo. Yan. Gusto mo magpa-interview? So, picture lang tayo dun sa Wrigley Field. And then tapusin na natin.
Thank you.
Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Kaso nakakita na naman ng fountain si Klein Ayun. Nag-picture lang kami dun kanina sa head ng Wrigley Field. Sa signage ng Wrigley Field. And then nakakita ng water fountain si Klein. Siguro mga ilang minutes lang kami dito. Ipabasa lang namin siya ng konti tapos alis na din kami.
Ayan guys, nandito namin sa sasakyan.
Congratulations! Ang init!
Finally! Ayun si Claire. Pagod na
Epic
kasi
fail,
mainit
diba?
kasi talaga.
Si Klein dun sa shower. Hindi na umalis.
Nabasa talaga siya ng sobra. And ayun, sandali lang kami dun sa splash pad doon kasi mainit na rin. And gutom na rin actually kasi maaga pa kami kanina, hindi kami nag-breakfast. So, ayun.
Hindi pa kami kumakain.
So, diretso na kami sa
Seafood City.
Seafood City.
Gusto nila ng Jollibee chicken.
Gusto namin ng Jollibee today. So, ayun, celebrate namin yung citizenship celebrate namin yung citizenship ko sa Jollibee and sa Seafood City. Mainit din dun sa sa area, pero maganda, ang ganda pala ng Wrigley Field. So, hindi pa kami nakakapunta doon first time, itong citizenship, and ayun, sarap sa pakiramdam din na na finally after ilang taon ba tayo dito? 2017 kami dumating. 8 years. Yeah, mahigit 8 years. Finally.
After a lot of procrastination.
Oo, puro procrastination.
Marami rin kasi nangyari sa buhay namin. May mga priority pa kami muna.
Correct.
And alam naman namin yung citizenship nandyan lang naman. Basta may green card ka muna. Ayan. So, ayun. And this year, nagkaroon ng opportunity si Andrea na makapag-review. And yun nga, tulad din sinabi ko kanina, pinauna natin si Andrea. Ngayon, alam na natin, guys.
Yun, guys. Yun lang, no? So, napakasaya ng araw na to, finally. Yung process ko ng citizenship, nag-apply ako actually ng March. Tapos, August na ngayon. So, parang almost 5 months. Yung processing. And yun, bibigyan naman kayo ng instructions and makaka-receive kayo ng mga communications through mail. And yun. Kung ready na kayong mag-citizenship, meron eligibility test dun sa USCIS na website. Tignan nyo lang kung eligible na kayo. Ayun. So, yun guys. Dito na lang namin tatapusin yung napakamasayang araw na ito. And, ayun. Etong vlog na to is separate dun sa vlog namin mamaya, no? Mapapakita namin sa inyo yung Seafood City. It's been a while since nagpunta kami sa Seafood City. And, ayun, kakain kami ulit sa Jollibee. So, abangan nyo yung susunod na vlog, guys. Thank you again. And, ayun, patuloy pa rin kaming gagawa ng mga nursing vlogs, mga Buhay America vlogs, kagaya nito, and fulfilling na talaga yung American dream kasi American citizen na nga ako.
And si Klein. So, dalawa na lang kami ni Claire.
So, sunod na sila actually, guys. So, yun, abangan nyo yun. Magkakaroon din kami ng bagong vlog about nun. So, ayan. Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Abangan nyo travel vlog.
And travel vlogs.
Camping.
Yes, camping namin. Abangan nyo yung vlog namin sa camping.
This weekend din, guys.